Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hope you are doing well. So, in our last video, we have studied about the construction and working, and first property of waves has been observed by using the ripple tank. Now, we will discuss some other properties of waves by using the ripple tank. So, let's start with the second property of the waves by using ripple tank. So as you all know that it is a device in which we produce water waves. Which types of waves has been produced in this? Water waves. Okay, so in this lecture we will understand some other properties of waves by ripple tank. Further, the second property is reflection. Property is, let me check the light condition. Okay, second property is refraction. Refraction of waves. Which waves? Water waves by using a ripple tank. So refraction of waves by using ripple tank. For this, what we will do, we have again this tray with a glass base, and we put a block in one side of this ripple tank. This is a block, and block is now at one side, and this is the water. So what happened by putting this block at one side of the ripple tank? We have constructed two medium. This medium is deeper than, let's say this is medium 1 and this is medium 2. Here the level of water is less, so we call this is as a shallower. Here the deepness of water has been reduced by putting a wooden block or something else over here. So we have made two medium in this ripple tank, because we want to understand the refraction of waves. What is refraction? Refraction means when waves moves from one medium to another, they change their direction. So as well in this experiment, when the vibrator produces the waves, we see on the screen that when the vibrator is producing the waves of similar frequency, the wavelength of the waves is larger in first medium and smaller in second medium. Okay, first thing we have noticed, the wavelength is larger in deep water and smaller in shallow water. डीप वाटर के अंदर जो वेवलेंथ है वो शैलो वाटर से स्मॉलर है, और एज हाउ इन दोनों मीडियम में स्पीड विल नॉट रिमेन सेम. ओके, बट व्हाट विल रिमेन सेम? फ्रीक्वेंसी of these waves will remain same. Why? We can have a question over here. Why the frequency is same? The frequency is same because the both waves in medium 1 and 2 are being produced by a same vibrator. So in the both medium the frequency of waves will be similar, but the wavelength in medium 1 is larger than a second medium. Okay, so when in same experiment, if we put that block at some angle in the tray, what will happen? Along with the difference of this wavelength, the wave started to get reflect by touching this surface of wooden block. So here we can see the second property, which is a refraction. At the screen, on the screen we can see by putting this hurdle at some angle, these waves will change their path after striking this hurdle, and also two things are changing over here. One is wavelength plus direction of propagation. Now let's start the third property of waves, which is diffraction. By using ripple tank, we will understand the diffraction of waves by ripple tank. So how we will do that? Again, this is the tray and we put a slit between the flow of these waves that are being produced. This is a screen. I have drawn this what is happening on the screen, which is put under the tray. So when these waves come closer to this hurdle, one thing you have to keep in mind, the spacing of this slit must be equivalent to wavelength of waves. इन वेव्स के वेवलेंथ की इक्वलेंट होनी चाहिए इस स्लिट की स्पेसिंग. तो जब ये वेव्स इसमें से पास होंगी तो स्क्रीन के ऊपर देखा ये गया है कि ये वेव्स एजिस से क्या हो जाती हैं, बेंड हो जाती हैं, और This bending of waves is called, क्या कहेंगे जी इसे, diffraction of waves. So this is all about the ripple tank. Hope by watching this video and other videos that I have uploaded on the website of Naraval Public School will help you to understand the main idea of this topic and will help you to easily understand and remember this topic. Thank you so much.